Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of Let's Design. In this episode, we'll be creating this 2-page vertical planning insert. Because the days are 1.5 inches across, they work great with all of your favorite planner stickers. Although this tutorial shows us creating them in A5 size, it's very easy to adjust the dimensions to fit any page size that you would like. We are going to be using Apache OpenOffice to create this design. Apache OpenOffice is an open source software available for free online. I'll have the link to it in the description box below. Let's start by creating a new spreadsheet. Because this is a 2-page spread, let's start with the left side. On the left side, I'm going to have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and on the right side, we'll do Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. A5 pages can only have 3 columns, so we have to condense Saturday and Sunday into 1 column. Because this is the only text on the page, all we have left to do is adjust the heights and do some formatting. Set the height of row 2 to 0.5 inches. Row 3 should be 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. Row 4 should be 3 inches. Row 5 is 0.25 inches again. And row 6 should be 3 inches. Row 1 will be the margin at the top of the page. I'm going to set my height to 0.75. Now we're going to select the 3 columns and adjust the width to 1.5 inches. Let's format the font and center it horizontally and vertically in the center of the cell. I'm also going to change the font style to Calibri, make the font bold, and change it to 8-point font. Feel free to add color to your sheet. I'm going to make mine a series of grays, but you can use any color that you'd like. Row 3 is where we're going to have our block of color. I'm choosing a light gray. Repeat this process for the second page on sheet 2. Because the weekend contains both Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to add another block of color halfway down the page. Vertically merge the cells for every other day of the week. Remember to go back to sheet 1 and do the same thing. The last part of this design is to add the borders. Select all of the cells, including the color blocks, and choose all borders. Again, you can make the borders whatever color you prefer, but I'm choosing a light gray. Remember to do this on the second page as well. Our design is finished. Let's get it ready for printing. Go to File, Page Preview. Here we can see what the page will look like when printed. You can see there's some adjustments we want to make. Click Format Page and change the margins to 0. We're also going to center it horizontally in the page and remove the header and footer. We also want to change the page size to A5 or whatever size one sheet will be. As a reminder, letter is the common size in America of 8.5 by 11 inches. A4, on the other hand, is the popular size in Europe. 2 A5 pages can fit on an A4, and 2 half-letter sheets can fit on a letter. If you do not see the option for half-letter, you can manually enter the width of 5.5 inches and the height of 8.5 inches. Now that we have both of our half sheets defined, what we want to do is turn this into a PDF document with both halves so that we can print it on the larger size paper and simply cut it in half. To do this, go to File, Print. Instead of choosing a printer, we're going to print to PDF. Click Properties and change the orientation to Landscape. Then hit Advanced and change the page size to the page size that you will actually be printing on, which is A4. Be sure to select All Sheets Should Be Printed, and then go to Page Layout and select 2 pages per sheet. At this point, you can see in the preview that both pages should appear on the same sheet of paper. Double check that you're printing to PDF and then hit Print. Upon hitting Print, a prompt should appear allowing you to save the new PDF file. Now you have your PDF document ready to print and reuse as many times as you'd like. Now we can actually print the paper. Go to File, Print, and be sure to select an actual printer this time. Go to the printer properties and make sure you're printing on the correct size paper. You will also want to make sure that it is printing in the actual size or 100%. Each printer is different, but the preview should help you determine if your settings are correct. Remember that you can also print on both sides of the paper if you'd like double-sided sheets. Once printed, simply cut your sheets in half, and your inserts are ready to be hole punched and put into your planner. And we're done! You now have double-sided vertical inserts for your planner. If you have any questions or suggestions for new episodes, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!